Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the keybinds in StarRupture. Let's begin by opening the options menu. From there, make sure to go to a mouse and keyboard. Here, scroll down a bit. Let's begin with the sprint toggle. Although it is in sensitivity settings, I'll drop it to the keybinds honestly, because here you can change between holding the sprint button, toggling it, pressing it till stop, and toggling it. I would recommend pressing toggle because it's simply easier for you. There is also crouch toggle, which is basically the same for crouching, and aim down sights toggle, which is for aiming. I'll leave it turned off. Then in drone you can change the movement for the drone, so raising the drone up, lowering it down, and moving it forward, backward, left and right. Under weapons there is fire, equip building tool, equip next weapon, reload, aim down sights, equip previous weapon, equip med tool, grenade, harvester, equip first weapon slot, equip second weapon slot, flashlight, holster, unequip. Under user interface there is close menu, which is Q, open map, which is M for me. There is building for this building, so deconstructing, toggling drone state, set Z offset, so height offset, quick building selection, confirming building, move helper up, side rotation, move helper down, lock placement location, lock placement Z level, align to terrain, change variant, toggle vertical snap, and confirm build. In general, there is cancel, interact pickup for the second time. I don't know why this is doubled up. I think this may be either an option left for people that want to have two buttons for interaction, because they didn't code the ability to set multiple keybinds, or an oversight. There is also open inventory, pinging, and cancelling. Under movement there is dash, jump, crouch and slide, sprint, move forward, move backward, move left, move right, of course. Now, to actually change the keybind, simply either to wipe it completely, hit this button, to set it to something, click this position right here, then you will be prompted to rebind it. Note, this operation will remove the current keybind. I'll go with the same as it was before, so spacebar. Then hit confirm. If you want to, of course, reset those to the default, you can always test it by cancelling one of them and then restoring them. As you can see, it was simply reverted back to the basic. After you make your changes, simply hit apply, go back, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.